right, here we go. What do you think's gonna happen here? Maybe we're going too fast? I don't know. Maybe not for the road or environment or his skills. We've got a corner coming up, and we didn't turn at all. And hopefully we don't hurt ourselves. Okay, good. Good. I'm glad he's able to keep it up. That's what she said. We're gonna go ahead and move to the beginning. So we're moving, going too fast. Now we have a corner coming up. Now, right here, he starts to apply some brakes and clutch. Clutch, brakes. Okay, we're doing the slow look, right? I don't know why we're doing the clutch. Maybe we're downshifting, but we're doing the slow portion. Okay, slow. We looked. We're kind of looking. I want you to look over here, almost. So what I do in a corner is I look over here, then I look here. I look here, I look here. I look here, I look here. I look here, I look here. I'm constantly ratcheting, like a ratchet strap. I'm constantly doing that. This way, I know where I'm going, and then I know if there's a hazard right here, like a pothole. I know where I'm going, hazard like a pothole. I know where I'm going, hazard like a rock. Just things like that. That's what I'm concerned about, so that's why I am constantly moving my eyes. Plus, it allows me not to target fixate. So if I'm looking here, and then I look here, and then all of a sudden I look here, and then I stay looking here, guess where I'm going? So it prevents me from target fixating. I'm constantly doing this. Okay? So right here, though, we never did the press to initiate counter steering. So slow look, no press. We rolled off, but it's not going to help us out. Why do you think so? Maybe we're going too fast. Maybe we didn't commit to the turn. Maybe we are outriding our ability and skill. Okay? I don't know. We don't know yet. Maybe he zoned out, and right now he's zoned in. Those are all things we don't know, but it also allows us to understand, hey, we zoned out. Maybe we need to stay zoned in, right? Yellow stage. Maybe we need to stay zoned in. If we're going too fast, maybe we need to slow it down. Hey, if we're going around these corners, this is an easy corner, by the way. Maybe we need to practice our cornering ability. So this guy can't do that because he crashed and maybe he damaged the bike. Maybe he decides he doesn't want to ride anymore. I don't know, but we can, as motorcycle riders that are trying to learn to not do it. All right, so we got this right here. Lots of traffic. Red lights, red lights, red lights, red lights, red lights. Red lights are a good indicator that somebody's stopping, okay? So right here, we're moving. We see some red lights. That should be just an indication that we need to be in orange stage. We need to be watching out. Okay, why is this person applying the brakes? We don't know yet. And, we don't have to know. We just have to know that since they're applying the brakes, it's going to reduce our total stopping distance and our space cushion, right? That's going to be reduced by them applying the brakes. It's going to be reduced if we maintain our speed. It's going to be reduced if we speed up. So when we see this, we should be slowing down. And we also should be getting ourselves in a position for a possible safety by getting right here or getting on the other side, like right here. So more of like a lane filtering position, because if we can't stop in time, guess what happens? We just keep going, right? So we're trying to slow down, and we can't in time. We're still in a position to where we can get out of the way. So if we're stuck right here, we're slowing down. I can't slow down in time. Boom, hit them. So you see this, move over. Now, if you see this and you move over, that could be last second. So if you're riding, let's go ahead and go back a little bit. So if you're riding, typical, normal, move over. Get yourself in a better position right away before getting into orange stage. Look how much time we had. Now we finally did something. Hey, maybe he wants the junk in the trunk. That's what she said. But a lot of the problems that we have with motorcycle riders is that they almost always gives it too much speed. And why is that the problem? Let's do some root cause analysis on that. Why do you think too much speed is typically the problem with motorcycle riders? It's because bikes are freaking fast, and it's easy to go fast on a motorcycle. So as a beginner rider, here's the thing. If you can't control yourself, you don't understand, or you don't feel like you could because your ego, and maybe you're aware of your ego, and you decide you don't want to get rid of it, you want to keep it, well, minimize a lot of the problems by getting a lower CC bike. Get a slower bike, okay? So for a beginner, can't handle a lot of the speed and don't understand too much of it, a lower CC bike might be helpful. But if you have the understanding that you can handle it, and you have the understanding that you can do well with it, then you can pick whatever bike you want as long as you keep your ego in check and you focus on your training. So I don't think there's ever considered a beginner bike. I think there's motorcycles that are more geared to the newer, less experienced rider, not just beginner. Because a beginner rider could literally be somebody, and I made a comment about this. It could be somebody that has 20 years trucking experience that understands all 27 gears that they have in their truck, and then understands situational awareness and understands all these different things. And so they know the shifting and the clutch and and everything. Going on a motorcycle might be pretty dang easy, maybe, compared to somebody that is 16 years old, has no clue, not mechanically inclined, nothing, and then hops on a motorcycle and it's one of the toughest things they've ever done. So beginner, it's relative to who you are with your life experiences. So make sure you are understanding where you are in that position. If you're brand new, 16 years old, or just you're not mechanically inclined, don't understand the clutch too well, lower CC bike. If you've been around dirt bikes or you've been around vehicles with manual transmissions and you understand situation awareness and you understand keep your ego in check, you have a wider range of bikes to choose from. Thank you so much for Cardo for sponsoring this channel. Make sure you click the link in the description. It will automatically apply a discount. It's an amazing product. Check them out. Links in the description. See them.